Alright, so for this question here, it says find the equation of the line tangent to the curve y equals 2x minus x squared at the point 2, 0. Okay, well, first things first, when you're finding the line tangent to the curve, you should find the slope of the line tangent to the curve. Slope of the line tangent to the curve is the definition of derivative. That's how you get the slope of the line tangent to the curve. So we're going to get the slope by taking the derivative of this equation. So the derivative is just 2 minus 2x using the power rule there. Okay, so that's the slope of the line tangent to the curve, which slope I'm going to represent by the letter m. But you don't want this x in here. So notice they gave you a point, an x and a y value. So you could just take the x value and substitute it in for the x in your slope. So this really is saying m is 2 minus 2 times 2, which then becomes the slope is 2 minus 4 or negative 2. So now you have your slope, and you also have this point that it goes through. So we can use the equation for slope, point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, and this point is like x1, y1. So if I put that in, it's y minus 0 equals negative 2, the slope we just found, and then x minus 2. Okay, so again, this 0 came from the 0 up here. This 2 came from the 2 over here. Okay, so then if we continue on, we simplify this down. Y minus 0 is just y, and then negative 2, x minus 2. Some teachers will leave it like that. Other teachers will make you put this into slope-intercept form, and all you need to do for that is distribute this through. So you get y equals negative 2x plus 4. Okay, so if you look at this here, and let me show you on a graph what this is going to look like. So if I pull up a graph here, let's say for instance that I just graphed y equals 2x minus x squared. Okay, if I graph that here, well, what we just came up with was the graph y equals negative 2x plus 4. If I graph that on this graph as well, you can see that where those are going to intersect. Those intersect where they're tangent at that point 2, 0, which you could see is right there. So that's how I know I've done this correctly, and that would be it. Okay, if you have any other questions on this, feel free to either email me or leave a comment in the link below. All right, hope this helps.